Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your origin project and locating the graph layer you need. Make a duplicate layer immediately to preserve the original data, because once you extract and edit points, you want a fallback. Next, confirm axis scales, units, and any transforms so extracted numbers match expectations. Once done, show the data reader toolbar and enable point selection mode. You will use it right away to pick coordinates directly from the plotted curve, not from the worksheet. Now you capture points. Use the data reader for single clicks or choose graph from graph. Extract data to sample a whole curve at regular intervals. Make sure to set sampling density and interpolation method so values reflect the curve shape. Once you have the selection, send results to a worksheet by using the paste or append commands or the built-in export dialog that creates a new sheet. Make sure to name columns and units as you export, so downstream analysis is consistent and traceable. Finish by exporting the extracted worksheet to CSV or Excel, or copy to the clipboard for immediate use. Once exported, replot the extracted X and Y against the original graph in a new layer to visually confirm alignment. This helps catch rounding or sampling errors. If things go wrong, make sure axis transforms, log versus linear scaling, and layer offsets are accounted for, then repeat extraction with corrected settings. Save the project and the exported file with a clear timestamp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.